Good morning and welcome back to the channel, everybody. We're at the racetrack. Alright, so we're over here at Southwest Speed Festival. It's a Podium club out in Casa Grande, Arizona. It's the one event a year that drifters are allowed out on this track. Other than that, usually it's time attack, NASA stuff, and open wheel, like radicals, that kind of thing. Now we don't start drifting until 1:45 p.m. and it is not that. We have plenty of time to go. So we have our friend Ree over there, and she's going to be assisting us with getting a livery put on the car. So we're going to pull the old stickers off, clean it up a little bit, and start laying some vinyl. And I'm going to transform how the car looks a little bit today. So stay tuned to the video. Should be cool. The car's going to look completely different here soon. Alright, well, first test session went good. Third gear feels absolutely fucking insane. Right out here, you'll see like where these guys are. That's the T2. And that elevation change feels crazy when you're on throttle in third, just letting her eat. But it went really good. Rihanna is back working on the car, getting delivery, or more of the delivery put on. We have to do it in chunks just because when the driving sessions are and everything, but so far so good. Just hang out, eat a little bit, stay hydrated. I'm still fighting the cold or something, so just kind of taking her easy and enjoying the event. All right, guys. Well, the second drift session today went pretty damn good. I figured out how to stop pussyfooting it, and now I just need to figure out how to clutch kick a little bit harder to keep my wheel speed up. I definitely need to go up in tire pressure because it's bogging and I can't get the engine to spin up to limiter, where realistically most of my power is. But I feel really good. Super big ball energy on the entries, and spun once in front of Mason, but luckily he's a good driver and he trusts me, so there was no contact. Came back to the pits, checked on it, went right back out. But now the guys are fixing Austin Blue and axle because he makes a shit ton of power.
He's like, I'm just gonna sit here, they're gonna fix the axle, I'm gonna look pretty.
I don't want to be in the way. My legs hurt. I'm gonna rest. We have one more session later on at like 7:30 or 8 or something.
Make sure they're gonna be okay.
Fun track though, really fast. All right, guys. Well, my GoPro died in the last session. Damn shame. It was supposed to be a 2-day event. Well, you see all the friends hanging out here. The car's loaded up, looking really great. But on the third lap of the final session of the day, on the last turn of the third lap, something kind of went kablooey in the transmission. So we're done for the weekend. We gotta pull the transmission and fix it. But that's racing. So I'm gonna get home. I'll probably record a closer tomorrow morning once I've rested and there's a bit of time to think about it. But yeah, overall, really good day of driving. Stoked to see all the media. Always a good time hanging out with friends. And I'll see you guys in the morning. Alright guys, well it's the next day. I've gotten the car unloaded. It's in the garage on jack stands and I just drained the oil. And yeah, I'm pretty sure the one event isn't supposed to make a gear oil look like that. And well, when I pulled the drain plug, there we go, that came out of there. And when I shoved my pinky in there, I can feel quite a bit more. That right there is the tooth of a gear. So, even though I was already fairly certain what happened, now I know for sure. We definitely destroyed some stuff inside. So, yeah, overall, it was a great event. It was fun to drive. It was really cool to push myself and drive a faster track. But so what happens when you build a race car? You find the limit of certain things, and sometimes those things are a little bit expensive. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and start pulling the drive shaft and the exhaust and getting the transmission pulled out. So we can go ahead and open her up and see exactly how bad it is in there. But just based off of shoving my finger in there, doesn't feel great. We start figuring out a game plan. So I'll tune back in.
Oh, that's a good sound.
Here we go. This is fourth. Fourth and third are gone. 1 and 2 are fine. Right? Isn't that how it works? I don't know. Gears are blown up. Hey, look at that, dude. Sheared completely off. Well. All right, guys, so the next day after getting the transmission pulled apart, as you guys can see, transmission's definitely hurt. Am I bummed? A little bit, but that's racing, right? Car is making an extraordinary amount of power more than we were making before. And I mean, I kind of knew that the 346 diff wasn't going to be the best gear ratio, but unfortunately it just lugged a little bit too much. And when the differential's not going to break, unfortunately, the transmission's the next weakest link, and that's exactly what happened. So that being said, I have things in the works. Get a new transmission put in already. We have an event coming up here in about a month and a half, 2 months, month and a half, Slush Motorsports. And then I have another thing to announce here soon, once it's all public and everything. It'll be super cool. I've got a couple other things in the works that I'm excited to share with you guys once I get those taken care of and out of the way. But for now, the car's back on stands. Rihanna's been getting the livery finished, and looking forward to the next event, having the correct gear ratio in the car, and just learning more and developing the chassis even further. But that's it for now. Car's down for the count for a little bit. We're just gonna get a new transmission put back into the car, and then we'll get back to ripping. So Southwest Speed Festival, super cool event, really fun, really awesome time, driving fast as all hell, and pushing myself to a higher limit. Can't wait to do a little bit more of that this year. And thank you guys for coming along for the journey. It really means a lot for you guys to be tuning in, watching the car develop and myself develop as a driver, and can't wait to see where this takes us. But for now, hope you guys all stay easy. Stay tuned for more content. Peace.